Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sabrina and welcome to my Coven. So today's video is going to be a setting up my spooky coffee bar cart with you guys. I've never been into coffee, but within the last year I've been like drinking it like non-stop just to get me through my day. I started off with regular and then I moved on to decaf because the regular was just making me blah, 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 blah. We're gonna go ahead and set that up. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Sabrina. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the setting up my spooky coffee bar. Okay, so this is the little bar cart I went with. It was from IKEA and I think it was on sale for like $25, $27. So I went ahead and I picked this up because I don't need that big of a space. I just need a space to put like my mugs, my syrups, my coffee, and the coffee maker. So now that you've seen the bar cart, I'm just gonna go ahead and then set it up for you guys. Okay, so this is the stuff that some of it is new and some of it I already had that I'm going to use for the coffee bar. So I just have some stir sticks, I got these napkins, I got this cute little glass cup. You guys seen these in my haul. This I've had for like a few years and I'm just going to use it to hold like the spoon and the little mixer. I did purchase these on Amazon. Then I just have a tea towel. These are the little syrups that I use for my drinks. They're just the skinny ones. They're 0 calories and they're sugar free. This is a little Hearth and Hand basket that I had, so I'm going to go ahead and reuse that. Then I have this print that I printed out. I thought it would be cool to go above the coffee bar. I do have this little one as well. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I kind of want to incorporate it because it's like witches drinking coffee. And then I purchased these for $5 at, I think, Home Goods. And I'm going to put a few of these on the little coffee bar cards. I'm going to go ahead and refill my coffee tins. These I had since Christmas. And yeah, I just at the bottom, they have the stickers of their decaf or just regular. And then we have a trusty little Mr. Coffee maker. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all together right here. And then we'll go ahead and add the picture frames. And I'm going to add another little DIY that I'm going to show you in a little bit. But yeah, this is basically the stuff. Oh, and I do have some jars, but they're like drying right now. Some jars to put these in with pumps, just so they look better than, you know, this section. Again, I got it at Amazon. All the stuff that I got from Amazon will be linked down below. I think these were from Amazon too. Oh, and I have some coasters that I picked up from TJ Maxx as well. Okay, close up on my face, but a hack is to get your picture frame, put a piece of tape, and measure where the two hooks are, and then you're gonna put the tape on the wall, and then you're just gonna nail in the things, and then you're gonna be able to like hang it really easily. Babe, it's not working. Come on. Ta-da! Okay, so we have the bar cart set up. We have the picture frame hung. Now we're gonna add these little wooden planks underneath the picture frame, and then we're going to use some letters from the letter board, and we're going to put a cute little spooky saying. So I got this from Michael's for a 2-pack for I think like $2, and then I just had the letters from a bunch of my letter boards around the house, so you don't spend money, because I wanted to get one and they were pretty expensive. So I'm like, you know what, I can probably DIY it myself. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and put these together. I'm going to go ahead and use these little sticky stickers to put on it because the letters are not heavy. This is not heavy. and they stick very well instead of like putting holes into the wall. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so the bar cart is set up. I'm just going to add some finishing touches, like add a towel. I'm going to add my plant bag. I'm going to add a little shot glass so I can put the coffee in and do a little shot of espresso. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love how it turned out. I think when like Halloween comes, I might add like some witch hats up there, some lights, some spider webs, but for right now, it's just simple with a tad of spooky. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like always, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and I will see you guys next time for another video. And remember, a witch is nothing without her coven. Bye.